Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact logo file and opening the app you will use. You need a transparent PNG or vector. This preserves edges when scaled. Once done, set your canvas to the stream aspect ratio, like 16:9, and import the logo into your project. Make sure to keep files organized in a folder so you can swap versions quickly. This step prevents pixelation and saves time later when positioning and exporting. You now position and adapt the logo on your overlay. First, lock the overlay layer and move the logo to a corner using guides or safe zone markers so it won't be cut off. When scaling, hold aspect ratio to avoid distortion. Aim for 5–10% of frame height so it's visible but not intrusive. Then, apply a small shadow or thin stroke to keep the logo readable over bright or busy video. Finally, preview at 100% to confirm clarity. Finish by exporting and testing before you go live. Export the overlay as a transparent PNG or save the scene in your streaming software, then run a private stream or local recording at the target resolution and bitrate to inspect sharpness and placement. If you notice blurring, make sure you used a high DPI source, rescale while preserving aspect ratio, or re-export at the native pixel size. If the logo overlaps UI elements, shift it inward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.